Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking the best appetiser you've ever cooked on your Weber grill. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. And don't forget everything you use in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi grillers, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be making the best appetiser you've ever tasted, and we're going to be doing some smoked shotgun shells. Now it's really easy to do. All you need is that medium heat. You can do this on a smoker, you can do it on the BBQ, and you can even do it on the Weber Genesis or the Weber kettle. All you need is that indirect heat and a bit of smoke. If you have a party for Halloween, Christmas, or even a birthday party, this is the perfect appetiser and the kids will love it. So let's jump in and have a look. Also, for today's cook, there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need a Weber trivet. You need a mixing bowl with a lid just to mix all our ingredients. And we're also going to be using some hickory wood chips. I'm not using a smoker box. You can use a smoker box. If you use a smoker box, make sure you pre-soak these first, at least an hour before. But today I'm going to be using a smoker packet, and I will put an icon above linking to a video on how to make that. So make sure you check that out at the end of this video. So let's get this Weber preheated and we'll start making our shotgun shells. So for the recipe today, we're going to be using a pound of sausage meat. We're also going to be using some cannelloni tubes, some Weber BBQ seasoning or barbecue rub. We've got some mozzarella cheese. You can use your own blend of cheese. I'm putting a bit of sriracha chili sauce in with mine because I like a bit of spice. Obviously, if you've got kids, don't use that. And then there's barbecue sauce for basting, and we've got 2 pounds of bacon. We've got a pound of sausage meat. Like I said, you can use beef or pork. I've used half a pound of beef and half a pound of pork. I have put a chopped clove piece of garlic in there as well. What we're going to add is a cup and a half of cheese. You don't have to measure this, but I want it extra cheesy, like so. Next up, we're going to add our Weber seasoning. So there will be a link in the description below of where to get this from. And we're just going to give that all a good mix. And you can see we've got our mixture all mixed together. I would advise wearing some gloves. I haven't got any at this precise moment, so I'm having to do it without gloves, which makes a bit of a mess, but I have to keep washing my hands. Definitely use gloves. Now what we're going to do is start stuffing our cannelloni tubes. So now on to the next part of the recipe. Right, so with our cannelloni tubes, you'll see they're still hard, so this helps when stuffing them with your ingredients. You can part cook them as well. What you want to be careful of when you stuff them is just not to crack them. With your shells, we're just going to stuff them with the meat either side. So as you can see, I haven't cracked that one. You can see through to see whether it's fully stuffed. So I'll just stuff another one and show you how it's done. Obviously if you've got gloves, it's going to be a lot easier. You just want to poke that in. Again, try not to crack the end. Just start one end. And once you've done one end, you're going to flip it round and do the other. So flip that round and we'll stuff it from the other side. Once it starts coming out the other end, you know you've got plenty in there. So just clean that end off. Now what I'll do now is I'll get the rest stuffed and we'll come back to it. A pound of mince and that 1/2 cups of cheese make roughly 19 shotgun shells. So now it's time to get these wrapped in bacon. Whilst we're going to grab our shotgun shell, you want a piece of streaky bacon around twice the length of your shotgun shell. The thinner the better. So if you've got thick bacon, you can still wrap it, it just ends up a little bit tricky because of the thickness of it. Okay, and just wrap it like so. I'll get the rest wrapped and we'll come back to it. Right, so because we're doing these in the BBQ, we're going to do them in batches. I've got 12 set up at the moment. Hopefully these will all fit, and we just want that bacon to render. But before we get these on the queue, we're just going to give that a season with our Weber barbecue rub. Right, so our shotgun shells have been in for around 40 minutes, so it's time to take them off, let them rest and give them a bit of a taste test. shotgun shells have just come off, the bacon's rendered perfectly, and they smell amazing. I'm going to let them rest for around 10 minutes and then we'll give them a bit of a taste test. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those grilling products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick recipe. As you can see, those shotgun shells turned out awesome. With that bacon wrapped around, all those juices from the bacon after it's rendered went into that pasta, releasing all that flavour. Then you've got the cheesiness and the pork and the beef. Just came out awesome. It makes a great addition to any party as an appetiser, whether it be Christmas, Halloween. It's worth giving it a go. Make sure you comment down below if you try this recipe out. Let me know how you get on, whether you do it on the Q or on the Genesis or even on the kettle. Now, for those of you looking for other starters, if you want to check out my sweet potato starter, check out this video. And if you want to check out my sweet corn, check out this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.